The U.S. forces instructed SDF militias to open a new front in Deir Ezzor in eastern Syria, to advance and attack the positions of Syrian Arab Army, Al-Mayadeen correspondent reported today, December 3, 2024. The militias, fully supported by the U.S. occupation, launched attacks on at least 7 villages controlled by Syrian army along with Iranian forces and Arab tribal forces, east of the Euphrates River. According to reports, the clashes were mainly focused on the northern countryside of Deir Ezzor, with the targeted areas including Al-Hussainiya, Al-Salihiyah, Hatla, Marat, Mazloum, Khasham, and Al-Tabiyah. The rebel militias used minesweepers to remove earthen obstacles, and with 12 mortar shells fired at the town of Khasham. Heavy clashes erupted between Syrian army and the militia forces, on the outskirts of the towns of Al-Salihiyah, Marat and Al-Tabiyah under the direct cover of U.S. artillery and fighter jets from the U.S. occupation bases, near the Conoco oil field and the Al-Omar oil field. A video was published online today, showing U.S. occupation fighter jets carrying out airstrikes, bombarding the positions of Syrian Arab Army and auxiliary forces, to assist SDF separatist forces in their offensive, to advance towards the town of Al-Hussainiya. But, as part of the response of Syrian Arab Army units with the support of auxiliary forces, the fighters managed to thwart the attacks launched by the militias on 7 villages, repelling them, Sana news agency reported. There was no change in the control map in Deir Ezzor countryside, after the violent attacks launched by militia forces to seize the oil fields in the region together with the U.S. Now, more and more people in the world understand the true origins of the conflict in Syria. The mass violations and plundering of Syrian natural resources are taking place, initiated by the Western elites.